Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Imagine a tranquil sanctuary bathed in serenity. That's the essence of a white and wood minimalist bedroom. This design philosophy prioritizes calmness and rest, using clean lines, natural textures, and a limited color palette to create a space that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. Airy and tranquil atmosphere, crisp white walls, the foundation of the space. White walls create a sense of spaciousness and reflect light beautifully, making the bedroom feel bright and airy. Warm wood accents, balance the coolness of white walls with warm wood accents like a platform bed frame, nightstands, or a minimalist dresser. Light wood tones, such as maple or oak, complement the white and add a touch of natural warmth. Minimalist furniture, focus on function. Furniture selection prioritizes clean lines, functionality, and maximizing space. Think platform beds with simple headboards, sleek nightstands with built-in storage, and minimalist dressers, hidden storage. Optional, consider built-in wardrobes or ottomans with storage compartments to minimize clutter and maintain the clean lines of the design. Focal point, optional. Statement piece, optional. A well-chosen focal point can add visual interest. This could be a piece of artwork in calming tones like blues or greens, a sculptural lamp, or a unique throw blanket folded at the foot of the bed. Keep the scale and style minimalist. Large window, optional. A large window showcasing a beautiful view can serve as a natural focal point, bringing the outdoors in and connecting the bedroom to nature. Textile layers for comfort, softness, and warmth. Layer different textures to add visual interest, comfort, and warmth. Think linen or cotton bedding in neutral tones, a chunky knit throw blanket, or a woven area rug. Overall feel, the white and wood minimalist bedroom is all about creating a space that is both stylish and serene. It's a space that promotes relaxation, encourages restful sleep, and allows you to unwind after a long day. Here are some additional elements to consider. Houseplants. Introduce a touch of life and natural color with strategically placed houseplants known for air purifying qualities, like snake plants or spider plants. Minimalist decor. Keep decorative items to a minimum and choose pieces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Think sculptures, minimalist vases, or framed black and white photographs. Calming color palette, while minimalism emphasizes a neutral palette. Consider incorporating pops of color for a touch of personality. Think calming tones like light blues, lavenders, or greens in throw pillows or artwork. By incorporating these elements, you can create a white and wood minimalist bedroom that's both light and airy, stylish and serene, a perfect haven to unwind and recharge. There are many compelling reasons to design your bedroom in a white and wood minimalist style. Here's a breakdown of the key benefits to create a tranquil sleep sanctuary. Promotes relaxation and sleep, calming atmosphere. The combination of white walls and light-colored wood flooring creates a sense of peace and tranquility. The clean lines and lack of clutter contribute to a calming environment, perfect for unwinding and drifting off to sleep. Enhanced sense of space. White walls beautifully reflect light, making the bedroom feel more spacious and airy. This can be particularly beneficial for smaller bedrooms where maximizing the feeling of openness is crucial for a peaceful sleep environment. Improves functionality and maintenance. Focus on function. Minimalist design prioritizes function over clutter. This translates to a bedroom that's easy to clean and maintain. With fewer surfaces and objects, keeping the space tidy becomes less of a chore, allowing you to focus on relaxation, light and airy ambience. The light color palette makes the space feel airy and promotes a sense of calm, potentially improving your sleep quality. This can be particularly advantageous in rooms with limited natural light. Additional advantages: timeless design. Minimalism with natural materials like wood never goes out of style. This design choice ensures your bedroom will remain elegant and sophisticated for years to come. Versatility and personalization. While minimalist, the white and wood base offers a versatile canvas. You can personalize the space with pops of color through throw pillows, artwork, or a small rug in calming tones. Potential sleep quality improvement. Reduced clutter associated with minimalism may minimize allergens and dust mites, potentially improving indoor air quality and sleep, especially for those with allergies. Cost-effective potential. Minimalist design often requires less furniture and accessories, potentially leading to lower initial investment costs. However, keep in mind that high-quality furniture can be an investment, so factor in material and craftsmanship. Overall, a white and wood minimalist bedroom offers a perfect blend of aesthetics, functionality, and sleep-promoting features. It creates a calming and stylish space that's easy to maintain and allows you to personalize it with your unique touch for a good night's sleep. Here's a roadmap to transform your bedroom into a minimalist haven of white and wood. 1. Define your minimalist style. Subtle variations. Minimalism has various substyles. Explore Scandinavian minimalism with light wood tones and woven textures, or lean towards Japanese minimalism with dark wood accents and clean lines. Prioritize sleep needs. Consider your sleep needs. Do you need blackout curtains for complete darkness? Think about lighting. Would bedside reading lamps enhance your comfort? 2. Declutter and measure. Embrace the edit, declutter ruthlessly. Donate, sell, or store items you no longer use or need. This creates a clean slate for your minimalist haven. Accurate measurements. Measure your bedroom's dimensions to determine furniture placement and ensure everything fits comfortably. 3. Planning the layout, traffic flow. Sketch a basic layout prioritizing clear walkways between furniture and the bed's position. Consider the placement of the door and windows. Focal point, optional. A well-chosen focal point can add visual interest. This could be a piece of artwork, a sculptural lamp, or a strategically placed houseplant. Keep the scale and style minimalist. 4. Choosing furniture and materials, quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality pieces built to last. Opt for furniture with clean lines and functionality. Like a platform bed with a simple headboard, sleek nightstands with built-in storage, and a minimalist dresser. Light wood tones. Light wood furniture in oak, maple, or ash complements the white walls and adds warmth. Consider furniture with integrated storage to minimize clutter. 5. Textile layers, comfort and visual interest. Layer different textures to create a sense of comfort and visual interest. Think linen or cotton bedding in neutral tones, a chunky knit throw blanket for cooler nights, or a woven area rug in a calming color. 6. Lighting design. Natural light matters. Maximize natural light with translucent or sheer curtains. Consider blinds for rooms needing complete darkness. Layered lighting. Create a calming and inviting atmosphere with layered lighting. Include recessed lighting for overall illumination, bedside table lamps for reading, and dimmer switches to adjust the mood for relaxation. 7. Minimalist decor, optional. Less is more. Minimalism emphasizes a curated selection of decorative items. Choose pieces that serve a purpose and add a touch of personality. Think sculptures, minimalist vases, or framed black and white photographs. Pops of color, optional. A touch of color can add personality. Consider throw pillows, a small rug, or artwork in calming tones like blues, lavenders, or greens. Remember, personalize it. While minimalism emphasizes clean lines, you can incorporate your personality through unique artwork, a special heirloom displayed on a shelf, or a scented candle for relaxation. Order samples. See how materials like wood finishes and bedding fabrics interact in your lighting before committing. Enjoy the process. Creating a minimalist haven should be a process of thoughtful selection and creating a space that reflects your style and promotes restful sleep. Bonus tip: consider incorporating a built-in window seat with storage underneath. This maximizes space, provides a cozy nook for reading, and complements the clean lines of the minimalist design. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.